Side. Again, Weigel straight ahead. Weigel took the pitch around the left.
Bump him.
For Coins.
Pressure. Get on him.
Pressure, pressure.
Get him!
Ted Nagel.
On the other side, 20 sponsor, he goes to the string. Yeah. 20 went to the string.
Again, Ted Nagel takes the handoff. This time stops the line of scrimmage by Rick Payne and company.
Get it out there.
Ted Nagel takes the pitch around the right side.
28
Now he's inside. Go, Chris, go.
Chris Huss takes a handoff. Moves across the 20-yard line.
Keep driving, boys.
Watch 20, don't flip. Good luck.
Ted Nagel takes the pitch around the right side. Stop.
Yeah. Hey, Coach Meyer, let's go with Chris Nurse next time. He knows Mike, I think he knows PDM too. Take them on.
Defensive pass interference. First down. Wire.
He's walking? No. Motion. see if I got come on motion.
Ted Nagel, stop. Again, Nagel carries back to the original line of scrimmage. McLean and Baker on the stop.
I don't know why he didn't go motion. Fourth down, go.
Chris Hess on the dive up the middle. McLean. 4th and 7. To punt. Groening and Whiteford deep to receive.
Glenn, heads up here, buddy.
Ready for. You get it!
Chris Hess stops Mike McLean. Loss on the play back to the 20-yard, 25-yard line.
Here they go. 101 out here. 101 with Glenn.
Glenn, get him.
Mike Holman makes a stop on McLean, mixed up with the... Chris Hess and Glenn Pringer back to receive the punt. Hess takes the ball, stops at the 50-yard line. McLean and Froning on the stop. Chris Hess.
The right side.
Play blown dead.
We get Steve Walker out of there. Those linebackers are good.
Procedure call against the Marion local. Illegal procedure, 5-yard penalty.
We are. Not so deep, Steve. Right here, stick him, Kevin.
Ted Nagel takes the option toss. Crosses midfield down to the 45-yard line of Lehman. Put off, back to kick. Has to make her Froning back. Ball rolls into the end zone. Touchdown the Bank of Sydney for providing the spirit footballs that the cheerleaders throw. Ragel straight ahead. The end of the first quarter. Second down. procedure against Lehman, 5 yards. Intercepted the straight ahead. Tom Harling took the pitch. Chris Hess carries for the first down. Timeout, Marion Local.
Kevin.
Chris Hess on the scramble. Tom Bruning made the stop. To Steve Welker from the quarterback. 4th and about 6.
End zone.
Tom Arley on the carry.
Might go behind Chris Hess this time.
Get going, get going!
Pass intended for Grimes incomplete. Carmen kicking for Lehman. Glenn Pranger. Lehman pushed down. Chris Hess on the carry. Lewis makes the stop.
Quick.
Pass intended for for Steve Walker, intercepted by Jim Rick.
And sweep, get out! Get out!
Right. Carmen back to punt. We've been informed the program's wrong and the punting is being done by Andy Nolan. Glenn Pranger on the carry. Tom Pope on the stop. And off to Chris Hess. Froning recovers, Tom Froning recovers the fumble. Tomorrow. Glenn Pranger on the counter. Rick Payne on the stop. Gain out to midfield. Quarterback kept on the play, brought down for no gain. Flag on the play.
Rip, zip.
Illegal procedure against the Flyers, 5 yards. Ted Nagel around the right side. T.J. Baker stops Ted Nagel for the last play of the first half. No score in the ball game. We got a good one tonight. Pranger and Hess back. Nolan kicking off.
All right, no problem.
Pranger picks up the ball. Goes down to the 44-yard line of Marianoka.
was that? Ooh, nice. Chris followed him right up the hill. Come on, here we go.
Tom Arling attempting the extra point.
Put it in the street. Put it in the street.
Picks up the kickoff.
Right now. Right here. Down, up, and up.
Get him!
Come on, tackle. Kennel.
McLean on the carry. Jeff Rindler. Herb Weigel up the middle.
Jack Kennel, double team Jeff, Jack Kennel here.
Nail him!
Ryan Reed sets up again. Here. Ball for something that's going to pass. 84, and then he sees straight up.
Get him!
McLean takes the pitch.
Okay, it's 3rd and 10. 3rd and 10.
Back to the
Hold him, defense! Defense!
Caulfield and McLean stop Ibert.
Wide attack on the other side.
Play blown dead.
Same formation.
Illegal procedure against the Flyers.
Same formation.
Procedure call 5 yards. 1st and 15.
Take a job!
Not this way. Yeah.
Go!
Run. 5 seconds. You want to keep on going?
Ted Nagel on the carry.
Doesn't knock it down. Slide. Deal. Take it out and come across. Go,
Back!
Glenn Pranger on the counter. Rick Payne.
3rd down. 3rd down.
3rd and 12, excuse me.
After 4th and 10. At that pass. Flip flop trick.
Ted Nagel thrown down by
Get it off, Norm. There he is.
Glenn Pranger on the reception. Lewis and
That's Tommy gets you ready.
I got that!
He's not running at all. Slice middle.
Ted Nagel off the left side.
You are now on 13-yard line. Good work, man. Cool. Okay,
Press up to center.
35.
John Scully makes the stop.
Jet power. Flag, you got a flag. Wait a second, Kenny. There's a flag.
the carry. Mestemaker on the stop. Flag. Once again, there'll be a booster.
Kick. Try a fake. Goal catch. TNT. Zero on the 10. He can hit this one. He can hit this one. 27 yards.
Quarterback Berkey keeps the ball. Keith Grimes brings him down. Marling will attempt the field goal. About a 25-yard attempt. Very little tap. Not on the ball. Well, McLean deep to receive. Herb Weigel straight up the middle. Russ Putoff on the stop.
Combo to your right. You do it every time you go combo.
Matt Ryford on the carry. Takes the pass and keeps the ball. Andy Nolan's kick. To midfield, stopped by Mestemaker and Hess on the dive.
We're gonna wing to that left side.
Hess takes the pitch. McLean makes the stop. And that's the end of the third quarter. Russ Putoff back front. Ten-yard line. First down, Cavaliers. Weigel on the dive. 8 to Keith Goins. And that's a layman first down, stopping Goins. Pass intended for Goins. Yes. Pass to Goins, caught out of bounds. Andy Nolan's punt. Quarterback Berkey keeps on the play. Berkey keeps on the play. McLean trips him up. Quarterback Berkey keeps, laterals back to Ted Nagel. Froning knocks him out of bounds. Quarterback Berkey laterals back to Nagel. Chris Hess takes the handoff. Marion Logo calls timeout. Nagel takes the pitch off the left side, down Pope on the stop. And the extra point attempt is good. 4:55. Cavaliers. Mastermaker keeps the ball. Weigel takes the handoff. No gain on the play.
Defense! Get him! Over there! 23!
Pass intended for
This way.
pass complete to Keith Goins. Arling.
Get to him, get to him. Flag.
Pass complete to Goins. Flag on the play. Goins. Procedure penalty against Lehman. Five yards, takes the ball back to the 45-yard line.
Get up, defense!
Get to him, get to him.
And Nestemaker is dropped back at the Lehman 30. Fourth down. Offside. Face mask penalty against Local. Brian Clooney on the carry. Scott Cookie on the carry. Third down. At Lehman, 10 o'clock in the morning. Next week, Lehman travels to St. Henry. And Marion Local.